Hey there, wealth builders. This is your king, and you're tuned in to Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us delve into the valuable lessons that can be found in Napoleon Hill's classic self-help book, Think and Grow Rich. Wealth builders, this book is much more than just amassing wealth overnight. It is about developing the mindset and strategies required to build your wealth gradually. So, without any delay, join your king and let us begin. Let's start with the first lesson, which is the power of desire. Wealth builders, in Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill highlights how a burning desire is the foundation of all achievement. Simply wanting something is not enough. You need to have a deep, intense longing for a specific goal. This isn't about a fleeting wish or a passing fancy. It's about knowing exactly what you want and desiring it so badly that you can almost feel it in your bones. Hill teaches us that this desire is like fuel for our motivation. It keeps the fire burning inside us, keeping us focused and driven toward our objectives. When you have a burning desire, it becomes easier to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. It is this unyielding passion and determination that turn dreams into reality. In this context, it is essential to understand that the power of desire is not just about wanting something. It is about being committed to making it happen. This requires more than just dreaming. It requires action. Come closer and listen carefully to your king. When you have a burning desire, you will find yourself naturally taking steps towards your goal, learning new skills, and seeking out opportunities that will bring you closer to what you really want. It is about being proactive, persistent, and resilient in the face of challenges. In essence, Hill is telling us that without a strong desire, success is almost impossible. So, if you want to achieve something great, you have to start by lighting that fire within you. Now, for the second lesson that can be learned from Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, it is all about developing a millionaire mindset to become wealthy. Wealth builders, Hill teaches us that it is not just about the amount of money you have, but how you think about money and wealth. A millionaire mindset is all about thinking bigger than what you currently have and not being afraid to take risks to get there. It is about seeing opportunities where others might see obstacles and being willing to learn from your mistakes and keep going. Here's the thing. This mindset is about more than just financial wealth. It is about personal growth and improvement. It means constantly seeking out new challenges and opportunities and not being satisfied with the status quo. Hill emphasizes that to become wealthy, you need to think like a millionaire. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve great things and be willing to put in the work to make it happen. Cultivating this mindset is a key step on the path to wealth and success. Another thing, this millionaire mindset is not just a theoretical concept, but rather a practical guide for taking control of your financial destiny. It requires developing a set of habits and attitudes that align with the principles of wealth accumulation. This means setting clear financial goals, managing your money wisely, and making informed investment decisions. It also involves surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you on your journey. Like your king here, who provides videos about financial knowledge that might help you accumulate your wealth, right? Now, let's talk about the essential third lesson, which is that knowledge by itself does not hold power. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill tells us that just having knowledge is not enough to guarantee success. You could be the smartest person in the room, with all the information in the world at your fingertips. But if you do not use that knowledge, it is basically useless. Wealth builders, it is not enough to just know something. You have to do something with what you know. This means you need to apply that knowledge in reality. Hill emphasizes the importance of transforming knowledge into action, as I mentioned earlier. It's about taking what you have learned and applying it in a meaningful way. It means using your knowledge to make positive changes in your life and the lives of those around you, especially your loved ones. Let your king simplify it. Knowledge is only powerful when put into practice, and that's a fact. Hill is essentially telling us that we need to be active learners, constantly seeking out new information and finding ways to apply it in our lives. It is this combination of knowledge and action that leads to success and helps us turn our dreams into reality. So, wealth builders, if you really want to be successful, don't just learn, take action. Now, for the last lesson that we will discuss in today's episode, we have the importance of nourishing your subconscious with positivity. In the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill also emphasizes the power that our subconscious mind has over our behavior and decisions. Wealth builders, our subconscious is like the autopilot of our brain, guiding our actions and reactions without us even realizing it. And according to Hill, one of the key ways to ensure that our subconscious is working for us rather than against us is to feed it with positive thoughts and affirmations. Based on your king's understanding, Hill asserts that by consistently reinforcing our subconscious with positive messages, we can shape our behavior and actions to align with our goals. It's like programming your mind for success. When your subconscious is filled with positive, empowering thoughts, it becomes easier to stay motivated and focused, even in the face of challenges. It's about creating a mental environment that supports your goals and aspirations rather than hindering them. In essence, Hill is telling us that our thoughts have power. What we believe and tell ourselves can shape our reality. So, if you want to achieve success and wealth, practice feeding your subconscious with positivity. Believe in yourself, affirm your goals, and fill your mind with thoughts of success. It's this positive mental attitude that will help you overcome obstacles and turn your dreams into reality. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.